If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And leave us a comment. We love hearing from you.
I'm here today for Tip Tuesday, and I'm going to talk about bias tape makers. There is another larger size that we have for sale, but we don't have one in our classroom. These are more commonly used. They have the sizes in millimeters on the back, and on our website it does correspond to a size. This one is an inch. This is 3/4 of an inch, half an inch, and 1/4 of an inch. Bias tape is a fantastic way to finish a garment. When you want to make custom bias tape rather than buying it by the meter, it's actually quite easy. It's a great way to use up scraps, little end bits that you're going to that you want to incorporate into your project, or adding like a pop of color, which is one of my personal favorites. So I'm going to use the 3/4 inch bias tape today. It's going to make the 3/4 is the finished measurement of the bias tape. So what you do is you cut double the width that you want. So I've got a 1.5 inch piece here. You want to make sure that you give yourself a nice point, because that's going to feed into your bias tape. Feeding it in right side down. And then grab your little tip. Get your iron ready. And this little handle, this does get hot, so be careful. And then just iron as it comes out the middle. And you do have to, adjust as you go. And that is it. And this is to make double fold bias tape. So we're going to have to iron one more time after this. Obviously, you can work with a longer piece. I'm just working with this for the video. And then you just fold it in half again. And there is your bias tape. Super duper simple. These are a great addition to have in your toolbox. And that's how you make bias tape. Thanks so much, everybody.